That one will look at who has already won. So that if some of them can keep their money, they keep it. I think by the 22nd of March, I would have released the video of what is going to happen in 2028. But the 2028 election is serious. So the 2028 election will be like the hourglass. So have you seen the hourglass? Have you seen? That's how 2028 election is like. Oh. Hey, it being said that it has never happened in the history of the politics of this nation where an election will be like hourglass. It has never happened. And the Lord said, in the month of March, I will tell you how the election will be like. So this is AK. Put it at the back of your mind. This is NPP side. This is NDC side. You can go and do whatever with what I have said. When we meet in March, I will give you the names to all of this by the grace of God. And I will show you who will sit on the chair now. And I will explain why the 2028 election is like the hourglass.
Hello, Abushafo. Menim say wada do munyina mo hoye. Be den chia sonko ebre munyina wherever you are. We the video bi na me pese me de bra mo na yetimi adesua bibi efa ne eba besi ho. Eya Prophet Bernard Elbernard ye nyina enim no Eshan. Ene am say oye program bi e wona so dem. Now, in the course of the administration, and our prophecy about what is going to happen our Afrifa 2028 election, presidential and general election. Inti, okay, can't send be brave. Now, the entire midway, Abraham said last year, Mohono, Okoye interview, like he was granted an interview on the Fifi Pratt, Unia Bema, Fifi Pratt, Omoye sa interview, no, or ma similar prophecy, Okan Bibi, Neti Sessa. Now, one church remove in detail, senior. Why no asore demo ene eno answer na mekoni okan no ene no me pese me de okan no last year on Fifi Pratt me was a video no e wo YouTube channel nti no so okwa bet makwa kohe no nti no send any first time over me channel here but more than subscribe to me channel ma me na like video no na share ema afofro so na drop your comment na intimi more with the algorithm no na se betimi so hit the notification bell so that be ubenya update anytime bia me post new video intimi mo yen kona enkohe old video na odi kan eye no na o kan sene ebesi akọ 2028 elections ne mu we ebesi akọ no oni Fifi Pratt sene o kan no mo ma yeni kan kohe no na after that no me mo he nia o kan no just today no na after that no me comment ebeba later on and stay through to the end. Thank you very much.
Onye duwa maka wansa
macho mamutu ejama pie no mama nyama oye
ma azekro mutu maka ache onye den ego bi si wo na watch the president na the mego na watch the president na mu de papa bi wa ba betina do na papa na betina do pepepe na mu da papa na wa sorry na o sorry no na okugina ego ninsa right no kitem into kitemi the man na mu de azibiti the insect be. Now the margin of the incense no bear no baby so or the left hand side of the chair, and the two of them were struggling over it. Then the vision ended. Now bra vision ending no me another second vision. Name the papa no kita egonu mo betin egonu do na azibi ye na ofi do na
okay so right
we be gina right no kita no still kita egonu mu na incense so okita oye left hand ni mu momu ye na baby incense ni gina no obi waba na nisi mu do oye je nti onso be no gina wo na mu de obi so waba nisi no oye o na mu de obi waba ni din ni ye ai na mu de wa nyipa 4 wo gina wo na wo gina wo the man why 4 people against 1 person mamu and the papa bi riba na nisi no oye ab na megenda ma na vision end na nya make kan say me tem so on does your hefe I say me with your hefe why me feel that it's too early for me to see me pede e put in mind that market there
anke nyabocha
ab
anke nyabocha pocho
Inti se na mo he no we na okan no 2024 mo ho no year before the elections. Inti no So here you see a describe no na or the me find the symbols no the agent ho amani ohun ye no wa mo obi edin na he was just using the abbreviations on say be a first name abbreviations and I say be a surname abbreviations baby sir and na oyisu eno te no we will look at neokano ne na afi I will give my comment on that.
Mantles and impartation service. That one we will look at who has already won, so that if some of them can keep their money, they keep it. The next mantles and impartation will be, let me see the date. Unya, talk to your pastors so that they will help me. My brepa will be on the 22nd of March. Will be on the 22nd of March. So then I think by the 22nd of March, I would have released the video of what is going to happen in 2028. Some people have already watched it. Some watched it as far back as December. Some people have come and watched it. Everybody say I should get. Julian, have you watched it yet? I told you the first half. I've not told the second half. Or I can send a video to you. When I send, if you won't send anywhere, I can send it to you. Know that you are my party. I can send it to you. So I'll send it today. So you can know it won't go anywhere. So when I release it, you can release it. Yeah. What's going to happen? 2028. Who and who are coming? So that you can strategically find a way to. But the 2028 election is serious. So, have you seen the hourglass? You know the hourglass? You know the hourglass? Always think about, when you think about 2028, think about the hourglass. Do you understand? Or you still don't understand what I'm saying? No, I'm just saying that the 2028 election will be like the hourglass. Bring me the hourglass in my office. No, I'm just trying to tell you how the 2028 election will look like. It will look like the hourglass. So, have you seen the hourglass? Have you seen? That's how 2028 election is like. Oh. I wish I can explain this to you. But those I've explained to them, they know what I've explained. This 2028 election, it's like the hourglass. Hey, it being said that it has never happened in the history of the politics of this nation, where an election will be like hourglass. It has never happened. That's how it's going to be like. Do you understand? Can you interpret this, man of God? If God shows you this, you can interpret it. Seer, the only seer, can you interpret it? Prophet, can you interpret it? Yeah, $1,000 if you interpret it. $1,000. You can try it. Prof, can you interpret it? The margin. It's not about margin. It has nothing to do with margin. Can you interpret it? It's not about margin. No, not that it will turn. The result comes small. No, it will not come small. The 2028 election is like the hourglass. 22nd March, I will go into it. By that time, because Stephen, you remember the video? The Lord said, number one, there was a chair, and on that chair, bring me a chair. Let me explain. Push this one back a little bit, and bring this chair. Look, no, this one look a presidential chair than this one. So when I call you, come and take this one back. So I'm just showing you something, but I won't mention names. So, no, you the way you are too gentle. Sit down. I want. Sit down. You are still here. I said, sit down. You are still looking at my place. Who is not that gentle? Okay, so 2028 election. This is what I saw. A man from the right side. You know, we have right wing and left wing. So whatever you understand, we'll leave it like that. So this man came and sat down. Immediately he sat down, he got up and hold this side. Hold it with your two hands. And he held it. As he sat down, he got up and he started holding here. Then come. So this one also came and held it. No, your one is too big. So while this one was holding here, come. Another person came. Come, pass here. I see what this one is looking for. This one also want the same thing. It's looking here. Come. And this one was holding here. So it's like 3 against 1 here. Then come. This one come and is behind them. Masa. And this one is behind them. So it's like 4, but 3 in front, 3 leading against 1. And this side begin to call someone to come. Come. So by the time this one does not even get there and the vision ends. And the Lord said, in the month of March, I will tell you how the election will be like. So this is AK. Put it at the back of your mind. This is AK. This is AB. This AB. This is an insert.
Hey, no.
This is an insert.
Hey, Sunday.
This is J. This is the letter J. Or this is J. This is IH. This is IH. This is BO. That's how. This is NPP side. This is NDC side. You can go and do whatever with what I have said. So remember AB. Remember AK. Remember insect. Remember J. I can help you with J and add something today. But when I add something, it will be too clear. So we leave J like this. Then this is IH. And this is BO. Very nice. See, we trust God to talk about conclusion of issues. We trust God to talk about that 18th September 2021 was when I told him what will happen in 2024. So me, by the grace of God, I trust God, speak way ahead of time. So I leave out because me, I'm not a politician. I am not for NDC. I am not for NPP. NPP know their political prophet. NDC know their political prophet. Me, I'm a prophet of God. The only party I belong to is money. That's right. So that's how it's going to be. So thank you very much. So when we meet in March, I will give you the names to all of this by the grace of God. And I will show you who will sit on the chair now. And I will explain why the 2028 election is like the hourglass. I will explain why it is like the hourglass. And I was telling somebody, if they don't want this one to happen, they should pray. Because on this side, one of them from 1 to 100. 1 is the starting point, 100 is the highest. The first one, the insert, is around 89. 89. And there is nobody in the party who is even around 49. Nobody. So, but you see, let me leave some things. So I said, if some people want to become, what is the destiny of the former vice president? What's the destiny of the former vice president? If the destiny of the former vice president, by what I have seen, there are 2 windows for him. If you have to become president ever, that is even if it will happen. But if it must happen, he must go and look for AK and tell AK, can I join you so that I become your running mate, so that when AK come 1, he can come 2. See, it's political consultation I'm giving you free of charge. But that's not why I came here, so let me.
Wait there, a deep one, but you saw him come.
Hello, abushafo. Enti eno na mote ye no. Na mo de moma yensan ko back, na yensan ko tie ne oka kire. You know bema fifi prate no. O de yensan tie no ansa, and then I'll give my comment after that.
As a kromotu ma ka kire onye dem. Ego bi si o na wa tro do president. Na the me go na wa tro do president no. Mu de papa bi wa ba betina do. Na papa na betina do pepepe. Na mu da papa na wa sore. Na o sore no na okugina ego nensa right no kitem. Into kitemi the man na me the azibiti the insect bear. Now the margin of the incense no bear no baby so or the left hand side of the chair, and the 2 of them were struggling over it. Then the vision ended. Now bra vision ending no me another second vision. Name the papa no kita egonu mo beti na egonu do na azibi na ofi do na.
Okay, so right.
We be jina right no kitemu no still kita egonu mu. Na incense so okita or left hand ni mu. So this man came and sat down. Immediately he sat down, he got up and hold this side, hold it with your 2 hands. And he held it. As he sat down, he got up and he started holding here. Now, the me gonna watch out the president. Mu the papa bi wa ba betina do. Na papa na betina do pepepe. Ne mu da papa na wa sorry. Na o sorry no na okugina egwan nensa right no kitem. Name the papa no kita egonu mo beti na egonu do na azibi na ofi do na.
Okay, so right.
We be jina right no kitemu no still kita egonu mu.
Hello, abushafo. Nti senia mo hwe no. Senia o se describe ye no. Na sa na say me de me gidi say ebe because medical can be say Ghana ha already share with a deep bebre, especially Prophet Agyapong Bempa, Prophet Elbernard, and Prophet Opambour. Sango for me in some way. I know say onyame edu mo che o man. Na bibi biara ebesi ewo ye da chenia den awrade betimi ebie so e de achiro mu, especially when it comes to our politics and our elections. Na media asem na okan na me pesa me draw emphasis on no few things. I think that is very likely say Asiedu Nketia is going to take over from President John Mahama. Say okono tell me we are President John Mahama obeko 1 term. Na I think say after 1 term no near obe take it over na say obeye flag bearer no. I think say ebeye Yura Johnson Asiedu Nketia. Because Onuna now says they say obey 89%. There is nobody who is even close second, you know. It means very likely say Onuna obey take it over. There's also likely you know say on say obobo like initials, initials or the boboy. Maybe me imagine for who AK no Agyapong Kennedy and KB and commit my kind of KA, but on say oka KA among for being line of fast. Enti wanka KA or see AK Agyapong Kennedy asam na media me feel say all kano na deɛ na ɛyɛ mo ngon sɛ ɛba ne sɛ na ɔse ɔbɛtena so na ɔsan sorry ade bibi besi amana betena so amana san sorry ana sɛ deɛ na bɛyɛ no sɛ wohwɛ me video na medi kan yɛyɛ a medi kan ɛde kyerɛ mu a ɛwɔ me page no sɛ wokɔ me page hɔ no ma wobɛhu sɛ video na meka no sɛ mehwɛ de wi ɔsi describe na ɔsi bibi bɛhye no asɛ ɔbɛtena so na bibi ahye no ana bibi ayɛ no amana san sorry enti ɛdeɛ na bɛba sɛ ɔbɛtena konya no so na wasan asɔre ɛyɛ adeɛ ebesi physical anaasɛ ebesi sɛ Ken betuma bɛyɛ president but bibi besi ama yɛtu nadeɛ so anaasɛ bia he will be impeached anaasɛ bibi bɔne bi ɛbɛsi ama yɛtu nadeɛ so ana like menhyɛ da nte hɔ no ase but ɔse odi ka tena so because akonya no deɛ yɛntena so ɛnsan sɔre enti no wei kyerɛ sɛ Yura Kennedy Agyapong sɛ bibi wɔ hɔ a sɛ ɔyɛ ɛyɛ sɛ ɔkɔhu ɛfɛn Prophet Bernard Elbernard anasa Prophet Opambour ɛne Prophet Agyapong sɛ bibi wɔ hɔ no ma sɛ ɔkɔhu saa adifoɔ yi ɛne adifoɔ bi aka na ɔmo bɔ mpaeɛ ma na ɛwɔ sɛ ɔkɔyɛ mesrɛ mo share video wei ma ne nsanka ma me mo share video wei ɛma Yura Kennedy Agyapong ne nsanka ɛne MPP foɔ mo a modɔ Yura Kennedy Agyapong maybe say me penasem I was thinking sɛ nka ɔno na ɛsɛ nka NPP foɔ ɛma no bɛyɛ flag bearer but esan say omono like adwumbani wo mutiri no o man fama no enti me de saa na me hu no na ebi no so kan ye no eno so ya Alhaji Bawumia me de saa na madwene kyerɛ me Alhaji Bawumia ono na asa ono so aba be compete no we kyerɛ 2028 no NPP for bebre adwene bɛsesa omonto aba ma Yura Mahmoud Bawumia Alhaji Bawumia say omra mayor flag bearer they will not vote for him very likely say Kennedy is going to come ono ni AK no Agyapong Kennedy no anase KA Kennedy Agyapong no ono na eba no na me de ma dwen kyerɛ me sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ Ken sɛ bibi wɔ hɔ sɛ ɔyɛ he has to do something now on the Ken no sometimes no in the past no timi ka sɛ me de a waste of time sɛ wokɔ sorry a waste of time sɛ woyɛ bibi hey Ken
to go to church don't you miss church?
No, a waste of time.
Don't you miss
I believe
worshiping
in God.
with others and praising God?
No, waste of time. I believe in God. I don't want you to teach me who God is. Yes.
Na me de ma dwen kyerɛ me sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ Ken sɛ bibi wɔ hɔ sɛ ɔyɛ he has to do something now on the Ken no sometimes no in the past no timi ka sɛ me de a waste of time sɛ wokɔ sorry a waste of time sɛ woyɛ bibi hey Ken these things no any waste of time onyame tumi yɛ wɔ hɔ onyame ahoɔden wɔ hɔ enti no you have to start believing it so when this animal we any Yura Ken now you are just say oh odeɛ yɛ wɔ ahoɔden na de bɛyɛ a ɛnyɛ bibia na ɛyɛ ahoɔden ɛnyɛ bibia na ɛyɛ ahoɔden so you have to know this nti mesrɛ mo share video wei ɛmfa ma Yura Kennedy Agyapong na o making sure say ɛyɛ very likely sɛ ɔno na obetuma bɛyɛ president sɛ ebia Mahama ɛfiri hɔ no ma but ɔsi bibi bɛyɛ no bibi bɛhye no anaasɛ bibi bɛyɛ no ama na sɔre afiri akonya no so menim deɛ ɛbɛsie ama na kɔba saa nti adiifoɔ no n'anim ɔmo na ɛbɛtumi aka nti mene no a nka mɛtu ho anamɔn nnɛ ɛsɛ ɔstarte no ɔtu ho anamɔn nnɛ mo share video wei ɛma ne nsa nka ma me na ɔntumi ntu ho anamɔn nti no I try to explain during the time of say na o preach no on say initials na o issue no like insect na no can say general mosquito Asiedu Nketia say mosquito ye insect meboa nti insect na no can general mosquito ɛna a friend say o ma na aka na obobodin no ebi wo hɔ no ma me nim omu din NDC for no me hyɛ da nim omu papa me hyɛ da nim omu on say me NPP ni but nsamfo ana NPP for ye na omma oman no ekɔ ahokyere mo no eno nti na ama me defect ya maba NDC because of Yura John Mahama nti because me papa no oye good bet ma boa oman no eno nti na ama me defect enti no say NPP for ebetie nia odifo yi share ho nkomu ya Yura Kennedy Agyapong especially on starting to ho na mo na onko hu mu na mo bi wo ha o metumi de aboa no na kwankyere bi wo ha o mo de bema na o mo fama no yo mo de besi ha na message say and then the first time I over my channel here, but more than subscribe to my channel here, mommy. Not like a video here, not share, drop your comments and so not into me more with the algorithm. No, now friends, so but more than hit the notification bell, so that anytime I may post new video, no, on Sabeka alert. No, when I want to thank you in advance. Thank you very much.
So this man came and sat down. Immediately he sat down, he got up and hold this side, hold it with your two hands. And he held it. As he sat down, he got up and he started holding here.